Keeping your cattle healthy is always the priority. When winter comes, proper nutrition is paramount. The new VSR-Series vertical mixers by Vermeer are here to help cattlemen maximize their high roughage diets. Let's take a look at the VSR 440 and VSR 540 single screw mixers. You need to be able to feed livestock in a variety of ground conditions and feeding applications. VSR mixers have a high frame height and standard 445 by 50R-22.5 tires to handle mud, snow, or frozen ruts that the winter season can bring. These machines also have a 3-point scale system weighing the tub at the frame rather than at the spindles and tongue. This design helps maximize accuracy, simplifies weigh bar replacement, and gets the weigh system out of the mud and the muck. Maximizing processing while minimizing spillage is a centerpiece of VSR mixers. Built to handle high roughage rations, these mixers can process full bales or pre-processed material in a timely and flexible manner. A shorter screw design compared to the other single screw mixers in the Vermeer lineup, paired with a containment kit and more spacious tub geometry, helps keep hay off the ground and in a thorough mix. Working inside the tub is an AR200 screw to help maximize processing and mix, while using wear-resistant steel to help maximize life. 2 points of contact with the floor also helps achieve a thorough, efficient cleanout to get to your next chore faster. All in all, VSR mixers feature a simple but robust design that's ready to feed when you are. VSR mixers use a side discharge design, allowing you to choose either a 50-inch folding conveyor or no extension for applications like ground feeding. Folding extensions also have standard discharge magnets to minimize hay contamination and help keep your cows healthy. A conveyor also shouldn't get in the way of tire or axle maintenance. You can save time and frustration during maintenance on mixers equipped with a conveyor by stowing it for convenient access to the right side tire. Maximize your feedstuffs, ration, and cow herd with the VSR 440 and VSR 540 vertical mixers. For more information on the Vermeer Feeding Solutions lineup or other hay tools, reach out to your local dealer or visit Vermeer.com.